Today our topic is neutralization. Now what is neutralization? The reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water is called neutralization. Okay? Heat is also produced during this reaction. Now here you see, when there is an acid, you take an acid, in the acid you put a base. Okay, any acid you can take at home and you put a base. So effect of the acid will be neutralized and salt and water will be produced in the solution, and during the process heat is also given out. So you can try this out at home. Right? Now, example, hydrochloric acid. If you take hydrochloric acid and you add sodium hydroxide, which is a base, to it, sodium chloride, which is a salt, is produced along with water and heat. So this is a neutralization reaction. Now, neutralization reactions are useful in our day-to-day life. Okay, so there are 4 things in our day-to-day life where neutralization reactions can be seen. Now you see, in the first case, to cure indigestion. If supposing you are having some acidity, so when you are having some masala or very chili and all those things, you may feel acidity in your stomach. It happens to us most of the time. Okay, after we eat something which is not suitable, so what happens? You get indigestion, running tummy, then your stomach, it starts to burn. So that time what your mummy gives you? She gives you an antacid. Okay, antacid like Digene, Polycrol, all those she will give you. Okay, so what happens? Digene, Polycrol, all these things, they have base in it. So your stomach contains hydrochloric acid. So you had studied in your second chapter that stomach produces hydrochloric acid, isn't it? So your stomach has hydrochloric acid. So when the base in the medicine goes and mixes with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, it becomes neutral, and slowly the burning sensation in your stomach will be reduced. Okay? Next, to treat ant sting. Now ant sting, what is ant sting? All of you know what is ant, isn't it? So ant, sometimes some ants, they bite you. So ant sting contains formic acid. Okay, so when the ant bites you, the formic acid goes inside your skin and it starts burning. So to reduce the burning, to treat the burning, you have to use a base, something which contains the base. So calamine lotion contains base, which is very useful. If you do not have calamine lotion, anything that you have at home, like you have soda, baking soda, these are bases. So you can put it on the ant sting or the bee sting also. So bees also, honey bees also, sometimes they bite you. So if there is a burning sensation in your skin, you can use that. Okay. Third, soil treatment. Now you see, fertilizers that farmers use continuously in the soil, so they make the soil very acidic. Okay, so dhire what happens? The soil becomes very bad, so that the plants, they do not grow properly. So that time the farmer puts a base in the soil, so that the soil comes back to its original quality. So acidic soil, if the soil is very acidic, then you have to put a base. If the soil is basic, then you have to put an acid. So accordingly the farmer makes the soil neutral, and then the soil will be good for the crop. The fourth one is factory waste. Now you see, sometimes in many factories acids are produced, okay, as a waste product. So these acids which are produced in the waste product, if it is released by the factories and it comes into the water, rivers, ponds and all, it comes there, then what will happen? The aquatic life, the fishes, etc. in the water will die. So the factory waste which contain acids or base, they can be treated by adding acid or a base. So if the waste is acidic, they will put a base. If the waste is basic, then they will put a acid. So I hope you have understood these 4 points. Okay, so you have to write all these things in your copy. And after this we will be doing in our next classes the exercise questions.